Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? Thank you. Andali, bibilang tayo ng 3. Oo. Teka, ingat lang ha. Mga bata, madami yan para sa inyo, ha? Sige. Ingat lang, baka mabagsakan kayo ng bahay at lupa. Tsaka yung rep at washing machine. And 1, ingat ha. Mga nanay, paki-assist naman po. 2, 3. Yan! Kalugin mo, kalugin mo. Yay! Kada! Kada! Happy birthday! Hey! Dami! Sige! There you go! Palagpakan na natin si Bea! Your 7th birthday! Come closer! Come closer! Sige, manood tayo! Kids! Upo lang tayo! Follow spot lang sa akin. Bea! Aquilo!
No more headache. No more head. I will remove the props and I will play the CD, instruction, and we will learn this trick together. It's entitled The Vanishing Bandana. Alam niyo ba yung bandana? Bandana, yung malaking parang malaking handkerchief yun, di ba? Yung bandana. Oh, that's it. The Vanishing Bandana. Sabihin niyo nga, bandana! Louder! The Vanishing Bandana! Raise your right hand. Yeah, good. Okay, now, repeat after me, alright? Say, I. State your name. Or expose any magic secret. And I will never say what other people will ask me to say. Joking eh. Are we ready? Ready? Who's ready? Good, just stay there and that.
For this mystery, you will need two props. One is a square of darkly colored fabric.
Got it?
And a yellow bandana. Pick up the bandana. Now, fold the bandana in half. That's right, fold it in half. Now, fold it one more time. Take the folded bandana and hide it in your left hand. Remember to keep your hand in the natural position. This is called palming.
Palming.
Now that you have mastered palming, we're ready to begin. Open up the folded bandana. Show the audience it is a regular bandana by waving it up and down. If an audience member does not believe it is a real bandana, allow him to wipe his face on it. Now, pick up the dark square fabric and gather the four corners together, making a little makeshift bag. Using your free hand, fold the bandana along the creases you made earlier, and drop it into the folds. Remember palming?
No.
Again, remember to keep your left hand held naturally. Now, make a magical gesture.